2008 BMW 528i. Beautiful dark blue. What we got done on it for you gentlemen and ladies. It's got stock converters all the way tucked in there somewhere. Then 2-inch pipe all the way to secondary catalytic converters right there that everybody hates. Then 2-inch pipe continues. Then there's a resonator right there. He didn't want it cut off because he didn't want it raspy, which I don't blame him. It's a BMW, so you want it clean. Then 2.5-inch pipe, and we continued that 2.5-inch pipe into a dual tip, 3-inch each, right there. Just fits it nicely. Came out really nice, really clean. Muffler delete on a BMW. We took this massive muffler off right there that nobody likes. Look at it. It's ugly. That looks better. And like always, please guys, subscribe, like, comment, and all that stuff you guys do, and share. Like Harlem Nights. What's his name? I don't know. You guys ever watch Harlem Nights? You know that guy, there's a guy there, they say I sound like him. You want it louder? I like it. I think it's smooth. What the? Let's suck it in the air, back in after. It's normal. I like it. You want it loud? We can make it more raspy. I think leave it like that is clean. Because it's a BMW, you want it clean sound, you know? Again? Again? It's right at 100 sound decibel wise. So that's perfect. That way it doesn't drone too much inside, nothing, just gives you that deep tone. This is the muffler we cut off again, guys. Just in case you cut through the video. That tip looks perfect on it too. It fits it perfectly. BMW 528i, muffler delete, and dual tip. There she is. Yeah, go. Get on it, okay? I don't know if you heard me. Perfect. Really nice work.